Welcome to Leo. As a trained tool operator, you have access to the Leo calendar to make scheduled reservations for your personal tool usage. This video will demonstrate how to navigate the Leo calendar. The Leo calendar can be accessed by selecting Calendar from the navigation menu or by clicking on the calendar icon located in the center of the landing page. Click either option to be directed to the calendar screen. The calendar default display view is week. Change the display view by clicking on day or month. The month view will allow for reservations over an entire weekend. The tool menu is located on the left side of the calendar screen. Expand or collapse the entire menu, or click through the hierarchical list. Alternatively, type within the search bar and then select the desired tool. Note that you can choose to display your personal schedule or choose other display options by clicking on the reservations bar. Multi-tool display allows you to choose multiple tool schedules to be displayed simultaneously. Return to the reservations display to make reservations. Click on the desired tool to display that tool's existing reservations. Look to the Current Tool box to identify the tool calendar currently being displayed. If you are interested in watching a tool for cancellations, click on the gray eye icon next to the tool's name. The icon will turn blue, and you will be notified via email of any canceled reservations. Turn off this feature by again clicking on the eye icon. The icon will return to a gray color. Colored icons next to tool names indicate tool status. Tool statuses are currently in use, a scheduled outage is in effect, tool requires maintenance, or tool is shut down. Return to the Leo landing page by clicking on the word Leo located in the navigation menu. Your upcoming reservations will be displayed on the landing page within a green dialog box. Please also view the video entitled Making a Reservation to learn how to schedule, revise, or cancel a tool reservation.